thanks to LongevityShopping.com for sponsoring this interview series. We're at the Newport Beach Investor Conference. We couldn't do it without LongevityShopping.com. If you have not checked out the website, definitely do that. I'm here with the founder right now, Brad Turner. Hey, Brad, big thanks for sponsoring us and bringing us out here today.
Oh, we're so excited, Adam, and I'm so glad you're here doing a great job as usual, man. We have a great lineup of people that you're interviewing, and it's just a really great event as always.
LongevityShopping.com. Check it out. Hey, I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Mission Matters. My name is Adam Torres, and if you'd like to apply to be a guest in the show, just head on over to missionmatters.com and click on Be Our Guest to Apply. All right, so today I am at the Newport Beach Investor Conference, and let me tell you, I'm having all kinds of fun. We've been doing interviews, and this is one of my favorite conferences of the year. And my guest here today is Manan. Manan, welcome to the show.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so what brings you to the conference today?
Yeah, to see many businesses, what they are inventing in this longevity industry, and learning the technology, how they are using it.
Yeah. And now you're the CTO over at Market Completion Fund, so maybe tell us a little bit more about what you do.
Yeah, so we provide almost every type of services related to technology in Marketing Completion Fund. So we provide any type of AI strategy. We are building our own AI models to scale up the longevity capacities.
Yeah. What excites you right now about AI? As a CTO, what excites you about AI?
Yeah, it's all about predicting the patterns. So when we talk about training machine learning, it's actually the training the machine.
Yeah.
So we train the programs to identify the pattern of data. That's how we train the machine. It's a machine learning concept. And nowadays everybody is moving to the AI pattern.
Yeah.
If you see, like even now, from last 40 years, we are mostly on instruction-based program. Like in simple way, we can say write a four instruction to peel off a banana.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's a traditional program, and everybody's are moving on the AI side. That why I cannot write a program that can detect peel off a banana, mango, and even pomegranate.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So it's you can train the program to identify the vegetable or fruit, any type of. If you think about the just fruit, there are 200 type of fruits, right? And their size, their color,
Their shape, how firm they are, like
their fibers.
Yeah.
Like some are the hard fibers, some are the soft fibers, right?
Yeah.
So you cannot write 20,000 combination of program.
Yeah.
Right?
That's true. Yeah.
That's true. So you need to write a program that I first can identify the object, what fruit it is.
Yeah.
And then identify the color, the thickness of their fibers, and follow the pattern to peel off that fruit.
Yeah.
So this is the pattern that we train to the machine learning.
Yeah.
This is how we are moving from the traditional programming with just 4 or 5 instructions or thousands of instructions to a machine learning AI. So with this concept and like in entire world, uh, everywhere the programmers are working day and night to develop
Yeah.
that kind of model. And now we are in the era of semi-smart AI. When I say semi-smart AI, uh, b- I said that because we are comparing with human intelligence.
Mm.
Intelligence are a smart AI.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It can uh, identify the pattern of anything. Like
Yeah.
it can drive the car on the road, two-way lane,
Yeah,
three-way
yeah,
lane,
yeah.
any
Of course.
combination.
Yeah.
It can even peel off a banana easily.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it's a varieties of things he can do
Mm.
with their intelligence. But nowadays our AI, either the LLM or the computer vision, they are not together. Somewhere they are close, but they still have to communicate to each modules,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
So that's why they are not a smart AI. But nowadays, like if you see the GPT engine,
Yeah.
the transformer,
Yeah.
they are semi smart AI.
And it's getting better, right?
It's
Like
getting
over time,
better.
and
Yeah.
and talk a little bit. I mean, the pace, how fast it's getting better. It's interesting. Like I just kind of think about if we think about in 5 years, but I think like what about in 5 years? But the technologists like yourself think about what about in 1 year or 6 months? It's going to be better or this that. Like it's amazing how fast it's moving.
Yeah, it's I mean, as long as we'll have more data,
Yeah.
it's more better.
Yeah.
Because based on the data, we design the pattern. We create the parameters
Yeah.
for the like just suppose I'm giving you one example. Like if I say how are you,
Yeah.
you will say
Okay.
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And just if I say I am, what could be the next word?
Yeah.
Good,
Good. Okay.
playing,
Yep.
going, right? There's so many combinations. So playing, going, good.
Yeah.
These
Yeah.
all are the parameters. As long as I feed more combinations, you will be more smarter.
That's true. Yeah, yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
So, how should I'm curious? A lot of the work that you're doing at the Market Completion Fund is you're helping businesses with a lot of different issues and what are a lot of different opportunities, including AI. What kind of businesses do you work with?
Yeah, so any type of business, mostly related to the longevity
So, a lot
side,
of longevity, yes.
lot of longevity side. So we build avatar who can uh, their lip sync,
Yep.
facial expression
Yeah.
match with what they are talking, and from the background they feed up. We rag with the more content about specific to that business. You see,
Yeah.
so like suppose a, a any documentary related things like a doc ad or some any brand.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
they're trying to achieve some AI and wanted to convey that message to the market, or this kind of investor conference,
Yeah.
right? So it's very simple. uh, we can create their avatar.
Yep.
They put that in the big monitor. People walking from the way
Yeah.
and keep talking to your avatar,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And obviously, you are also handling some of Fox,
Yep.
and your avatar is also handling some of Fox.
That's funny. That's out there. So now both of you are having the conversation. That's great.
Yeah.
Well, Manan, I know you got a lot to do over here. I know they're calling you. Last thing I want you to do, I want you to look into the camera. If somebody's watching this and they want to learn more about Market Completion Fund, how do they do that?
Yeah, sure. Go to our website, Marketing Completion Fund, and you will see AI healthcare directory, our services, and you can learn a lot of things there.
Fantastic. And for everybody watching, just so you know, we'll definitely put the links in the show notes. So you can just click on the link and head right on over. And speaking of the audience, if this is your first time with Mission Matters and you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe or follow button. This is a daily show. Each and every day we're bringing you new content, new ideas, and hopefully new inspiration to help you along the way in your journey as well. So again, hit that subscribe or follow button. And Manan, thanks again for coming on, man. Appreciate you.
Thank you.